1.6 million.
Oh, that guy.
Yo.
Yeah.
James, you gonna wait at the end again?
Guys, he's speed hacking. He's speed
Speed,
hacking.
alhamdulillah.
He's speaking the language of gods. Kill switch, kill switch! He's gonna boost so quickly out of the get-go to start, like it's ridiculous. Oh yeah, yeah, there he goes. There he fucking. Okay, he's not catching up that much. Oh yeah, he is. Oh yeah, that helped me. Oh yeah, he's next to you. And he pushed you. Player 2-1 can spell. 0.6, so not that bad. Hello admins who's listening. Oh, he's buying fully tuned Infernos. I hope he buys it and then gets banned without saving it in a garage. Is that how big of a cunt he is? Okay, he's going to the side. Okay, yeah, okay. See, oh no, he got fucked up. Time for the kill switch. Basically killing the switch now. He's trying to get off here. Yeah, but he doesn't care, he can fucking switch it on. Oh, he's going to the side! He's going to the side! Fucking flashes only had a baby and gave birth to kill switch, only didn't know they... I'm trying to block him! Okay, I'll block him! Yeah. Oh yeah, he's already... Okay, what the fuck? So instantly off this get-go, like... Yeah, what the fuck, he can just easily control the pace now. He keeps on going. Yeah, I mean... Because you can see by me, I can maybe slightly catch up to you because you're like going side to side. But like, there's no way me catching up. Force drink. Slightly, I don't know. Kill switch, come and show us, baby.
Holy
Fuck you,
shit!
I'm ramming you off, I don't care, I'm ramming you
Holy
off. I
shit.
can't ram him off, what the fuck?
Holy
Yeah,
shit!
he fucking went quick and then beat you by like whole car. Like as far as distance goes and just blocks you off.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I
Backseat
saw it.
gamer, kill switch, come on baby. Baby, boost some more, you're really pissed after me.
Oh. Oh, let him go faster. He knows he's first.
I
No,
feel
they
like it's
don't.
also super hard to ram him for some reason, like if you go from side and takes out all my cum, right?
Stop.
Done it in the ball, man. Yeah. Oh my god. What do you mean Joker tripped me? Go.
Let what? Alright, he got, you know, he's gonna, perfect, get ready. Yeah, I'm gonna drive on the in. Right,
I can block him.
yeah, he's speeding up, look at him. Look at this shit. There's no way you can actually do this on top. Whoa! What the fuck?
Sorry boys, you
No!
help him. Take opposite
No
road.
admins online right now, what the fuck?
Prepare to ram me on. Okay, he just... I think he's actually triggered now because he hasn't won a race in a while.
What? He just like...
Okay, that's just you.
I'm just fucking flying, I don't know where the fuck he is.
You mean
Yeah, he
road
teleported
man?
from me. Yeah.
What the fuck
Meanwhile,
is that guy? Wait, where did he come from? What? I thought Killswitch looked like he came from the fucking roundabout, whatever it's called. And let's go Killswitch with the early lead. How
Oh,
surprising!
shit.
How does he does it every time? He never fails to surprise us.
Right.
Wow, already so far ahead.
The other
Very
way!
interesting.
Penguin, come follow me!
Oh, it's starting. Oh, he stopped. He was AFK or something.
Background,
Is he-
background.
I think he's making a comeback. Is he making a comeback? Oh.
Hit me.
Okay, okay. I mean, that's interesting strategy, Joseph. You fucked up 3 people over. That's nice. I think. What the fuck? Killswitch got fucked. What did he do? I don't think so, right? Giving up.
Oh, play.
But let me annoy him. I will type easy. It's working! Oh, Rodman, no!
Ah, yeah, he's looking. He went
Don't
so
smash
quick.
me, James. Fuck. We have to
He
record
went
this.
so quick.
Okay, we'll try. Yeah. What the fuck? Okay, that is about as obvious as it will get, let's be honest. Yeah. So he doesn't beat. What? Like behind? He like behind. His internet's fucking up, I think. Oh, he got kicked
Yeah, he
again.
got kicked. He
Fuck
got
yeah.
kicked. He got...
Yeah. Yeah, no one knows how it comes out.
What? 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 Who's this? Who's this?
All sick. How did he get fucked over? What the fuck?
Fuck him all, fuck him all.
Oh!
Oh my god, oh my god.
No,
Oh
he's
my
still in
god.
the race, yeah.
Oh my god!
He's gonna catch up. Ease. Ease. No, that's the
Found
the
it, found
trigger
it.
board. I was always, oh, he's coming, alright. I
I'll
was
run
like,
him over.
what the fuck? Like, he's not stopping. I'm in front of him. He should be slowing down if